Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta zucchini using an easy method. First, let's prepare our zucchini. Choose fresh, firm zucchini, then wash them well. You can use a spiralizer to create long, consistent noodles or a vegetable peeler for wider ribbons. Aim for a uniform thickness so they cook evenly. This simple preparation is key to delicious zucchini pasta. Now let's cook these fresh zucchini noodles. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your zucchini noodles and sauté them for just 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be tender crisp, not mushy. Overcooking can make them watery, so keep a close eye on them. Finish with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. The beauty of zucchini pasta is its versatility with sauces. A vibrant marinara sauce is always a fantastic option, offering a familiar and comforting taste. For something fresh, try a homemade pesto with basil and pine nuts. If you prefer a richer dish, a creamy Alfredo sauce pairs beautifully. Or keep it simple with just garlic, olive oil, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Once your zucchini pasta is cooked and sauced, it's best to serve it immediately to enjoy its perfect texture. Garnish your dish with fresh herbs, such as chopped basil or parsley, for added color and aroma. A generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese is also a wonderful addition if you like. This easy, healthy, and delicious meal is now ready for you to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.